Two cards of equal mass are on a horizontal surface with negligible friction. Card A is approaching card B, which is at rest, as shown in figure 1 above. Attached to card B is a spring that is initially compressed. At the moment card A collides with card B, the spring is released and pushes on card A, as shown in figure 2 above. Which of the following correctly states what happens to the kinetic energy and the momentum of the two-card system as a result of the collision compared to those quantities before the collision? Let us discuss each of the two quantities separately. In terms of energy, there is some potential energy in the two-card spring system due to the fact that the spring is compressed. When the spring is released, this energy is converted to kinetic. And also, the collision is elastic, so none of the original kinetic energy is lost. Therefore, the kinetic energy increases. We can rule out options D and E. Also, there are no external forces doing work on the system. There is no significant friction, and all other external forces are vertical. The momentum is conserved for the system. The correct option then is B.